Hi, it's Amy, and thanks for watching Pretty Little Claws. Today we're going to do a Valentine inspired set that spells out love. Enjoy! Right, first we're going to start with Piggy in the Middle, which is part of the Luminous collection, so it glows in the dark. Snow White, and I've laid down 2 layers of my favourite nude pink, Shy Time. So I'm going to work backwards on here, just so it's a little bit easier for me. But on a palette, I've put down some Snow White and some Piggy in the middle. So we're going to start with Piggy in the middle, and we're going to etch out our letters. They can be a bit thicker than what you want them to be when they're finished, because we want this to act like a neon sign. Pop that hand into cue for 10 seconds. Move on to our next finger and etch the V out. And then on this one we're going to do an O. And finally the L. And then pop that in the lamp to cue for 30 seconds. And then on the thumb, we're going to do a nice little love heart. And then pop that in the lamp for 30 seconds. Then with some gel residue wipe off solution on a lint-free pad, we'll just wipe that tacky layer off because we're going to go over with some white. So with your brush, the 001 and some Snow White, I'm just going to do a thin etch in the middle. Then once you've done all of those, pop them in the lamp for 30 seconds. Then we're going to go in with the Urban Graffiti top coat, and we're going to top coat these. And once we've top coated, we're going to go and pop them in the lamp for 60 seconds. Then we're going to go in with my favourite cuticle oil, Pink Pineapple. Fitting, it's pink. And rehydrate those cuticles. And there you have it. Because these are a glow in the dark pink with Piggy in the middle, the achieved look hopefully would be that they would look like neon signs in the dark. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a like and leave a comment in the box below. All the projects that we've used today will be listed in the description box below. Thanks. Bye.